Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, June 9th, 1999, 8 am. Your wish is fulfilled. Him whom you have been cocooning for such a long time will soar. Don't be sad. He will not forget you. This boy is kind hearted and he will still need you. Being a preceptor is no easy role. It requires some sense of abnegation if one actually wants to do one's work well. It is especially necessary not to inflate one's ego and consider oneself the master. This attitude has been the downfall of some of them. To serve the mission does not confer any superiority. There is a sage in this man. We believe that he will be able to do what we expect of him in all humility. We are happy, like you, my daughter, to see a good element joining us. The messages have made him understand the spirit of Sahaj Marg and they have prepared him by touching his heart. We also have an eye on his partner. Let the situation evolve. Continue to receive us as much as you can. See the impact of these writings on the privileged people who have access to them. You should feel encouraged by that. You, the embodiment of doubt. Your thinking that you are forgotten shows that you have a short memory. Go back over what occurred yesterday and the graces you had received, you and your friends. Therefore, relive these moments by not omitting any detail. You are a privileged person, Babuji. Wednesday, June 9th, 1999, 10 am. Everything happens at the right moment, often unexpectedly. You knew what we were preparing for, this privileged son in heart. He will initially have the opportunity to be trained here and then overseas. His work will take on its full meaning when his country is liberated. There is no magic wand to resolve this distressing issue forgotten from the rest of the world. Interests prevail over anything else in this money-centered society. Other nations too struggle in similar situations without any external assistance. With regard to his native soil, it will take much patience until peace is restored. Then a new life will be organized. He will know what to do. He will be guided and will have the opportunity to show his true worth in various fields. Everything in this country will have to be rebuilt. According to your wish, you remain in obscurity, my daughter, but never doubt your assistance to others, even in difficult situations. The medium says, Today I am in the state of great sadness, Babuji. I would like to participate physically in certain festivities with the beings I love. Let joy flood your heart. Accept this life imposed on you. Perhaps we will find an arrangement to elevate it. Keep smiling for the love of us, Babuji.